How many splines?
You need to count all those?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the mock drive shaft
Okay.
that was originally in the Prius, and with the different length from the transmission to the rear end, this thing was probably a couple of foot longer than what it is now.
Okay.
So I cut it down, welded it back together. This is just temporary to get a length so that then we can order one if this is the correct length. So we need to put this in the car to see, make sure that it's the right length. Now here, let me grab, we got, why don't I have you, I'm gonna cut this tape off, why don't I have you 4 bolts?
Okay.
Why don't you pull these out?
It's a little small.
Pulling these nuts back.
Oh yeah, they're loose.
Are they all loose?
Yeah.
Watch your head.
Thanks.
You're gonna get nicked. Line up the splines.
Is it just
Wiggle back and forth there. There you go.
how far?
See what you got to do is goes. There, we can line that up that way.
Does that go up through that hole?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is just, you're just sizing it.
Yeah, it's just to be able to get the right length so that I can order one with the right length to put in. That's why I need to know what the spline count was. And that when we counted that. And
I wondered why you're putting that like really rusty piece into the shiny new vehicle.
It's just a temporary.
Ah, okay. Amazing, these machines.
Needs to be balanced and all that. So
Okay.
yeah, I think I can, like I said, I can get one online for a couple $100. That's the slip yoke. That's the upper front U joint. And that's the rear flange. So these are dimensions that I have to give them that I'll take off from that. And then I can send that
okay.
in and get that made. You can't show this.
Oh, we can't?
We can't record this.
Why not?
Because I'm gonna show it in the other video. This is part 2.
Oh, you gotta wait till part 2, folks, to see what Doug has done. But I'm here working and I wanted to get a little bit of an update so you get the full story.
That's what I will get. Yeah, you can grind it down so you can have it even see. Then you put filler if you want to paint it. Body filler.
Are you gonna paint this
I don't know.
or keep it rustic?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
I think I should paint it. The only reason I would is because of the front being.
Would you paint
The
it
way it is.
yourself, or is that something you hire someone to do?
Have you do it. So I've got this body line here that I'm trying to mimic. And I started out with this,
Oh, okay.
and it'll go there and it'll wrap around. But my bead roller got away from me. And this is supposed to be
Down a
down
little bit?
lower. So I couldn't use that. So I did another one. And then I got this upper.
Such an art.
It's a little bit of a,
Ah, look at that.
so that'll go there and it'll wrap around.
Sweet.
And then I gotta make the curved piece. And then the flat piece, like is welded in there, I'll do that here. That's all part of episode 2 though.
All part of episode 2.
Yes. This will be
Okay,
like that.
gotcha.
And then I gotta make a bead roll, a straight piece lined up with this. You wanna see the bead rolling
Yeah, I do.
process?
Yeah. Metal?
Yeah. that you can-
Where do you get all your scrap metal from? Are you allowed to
I
say
know
that?
there's businesses around that have it.
You got
available.
connections.
I have connections.
Late at night, you're
Yeah.
creeping, going dumpster diving.
Yeah. Yeah, that's 18. 20 gauge.
Okay.
It's right here.
Did you buy this?
I bought this grape part,
Uh-huh.
and it goes over here where the chain and stuff is.
Yeah.
That was just a hand crank before.
Okay.
There was just a hand crank on it, and it was basically this one piece with these 2 shafts. And I went to bead roll something, and these 2 pieces wanted to separate real funny, and it just didn't hold together very well. So I welded in this channel.
Okay.
I built this base, this metal base. I had this motor laying around, and so I geared it down with the sprockets and chain,
Okay.
and I added this control here. So I can do that. That goes one way, and that goes the other way. The reason I did it that way, you can get them where there's a foot pedal.
Okay.
But obviously my foots don't work very good. I had to modify it to get it so I could do stuff with it.
Gotcha.
And yeah, I designed it myself.
All by yourself.
All by myself.
It's kind of smart.
So that goes in like that.
Okay.
kind of. And I tighten this down. Is that straight?
A little off, but
You can go ahead and try and straighten it.
oh, it's too tight now.
That's good, we'll get it. So.
Amazing. Just bend in the middle. It's like making noodles,
Yeah.
making pasta.
So then that makes a nice.
That is so sweet. Look at that.
And you have different dyes that you can use for different, see all of these,
Oh yeah.
on each side there's different dyes. These ones that are rusty, I made on the lathe.
You made what?
I did, they turned these on, like these,
Uh-huh.
I did on the lathe,
Oh.
because I didn't have the right size to match up with that.
Okay.
So I turned this on the lathe,
You're
to
talking,
make these
I don't know what
dyes.
that means. What's the lathe?
on the blue machine over there.
Oh. Oh, that way over in the corner
Yeah,
there?
way in the corner. That, it rotates and has a cutter, and you can cut that out.
Okay.
Yeah,
Huh.
I can show you how to do that sometime.
Okay, maybe another episode.
Yeah, so.
That's sweet.
What I used to, and it's really nice, like when we get to where we have to make floor panels,
Okay.
it stiffens everything up. See, if you grab another one of those pieces down there, don't hit your head. Gotcha.
Like
Grab
this
that wide one.
thing?
28 here. See how it's kind of
Flimsy?
flimsy?
Yeah.
And you know how this one was kind of flimsy?
Yeah.
Try bending that now, it really stiffens it up.
Huh.
So you can't, it gives it that extra strength, just put
Yeah.
that dimple in there.
Huh.
So, that's the other nice thing about it, other than being decorative too. That's the bead roller.